Well, what's going on, guys? It's Tuesday morning, about 6:30 in the morning. We're going out fishing. I got the boat ready to go, got some chum, just catch some fish, put some food on the table for tonight for dinner. I'm in Fort Lauderdale right now, and we're gonna head south towards Miami more, a couple little reefs we can hit up there, and we'll anchor up, start chumming, see what we can get to come to the boat. And you can see we're here in my little bay boat. This is a 20-foot bay boat, Hydro Sport. Got the Seadek covering the entire boat. The Seadek looks really, really good. So you're gonna see what it's like, getting some blood, getting some chum. Fish on the deck today. Do it right now, let's go. So it's a beautiful morning here. The sun is rising. We got the first chum block out. We're gonna wait and see if we can get some ballyhoo to come to the boat. I'm gonna cast net the ballyhoo, put them in the boat, and then we're gonna run a little bit further south, a little bit more out. It's mornings like this that just make fishing what it is. It's like you're the king of the world. Like you can pretty much do anything when you're out here just living, baby. All right, so I didn't find any bait this morning so far. So I'm gonna go over here to this bait shop, see what kind of live bait they have, see if we can get something. I'm tired of sitting there and waiting. All right, so we got some live bait and we're gonna head back out, catch some fish now. We need some little fish so we can catch the big fish. All right, so we're out here off the beach here in Miami. A little bit of bluer water. Looking to see if we can get a little bit bigger of a fish today. We got the chum going, we got the bait out, and now we're just sitting back and we're waiting. Ooh, a little bit of sunscreen as well there. So now we're sitting back, we're waiting. It's one of those things, you know, maybe you catch fish, maybe you don't, but at least we're out here living, we're having fun. So we just got hooked up on our first fish of the day, had a little tuna. Got it right to the boat, didn't have anyone else to gaff it. So I was basically trying to get it to the boat and then grab the gaff so I could pull it into the boat, but just wasn't able to do both of those things, and it ended up breaking off right there at the boat. It was a good little fight. We're gonna see if we can get hooked up one more time here. First real action of the day, so maybe there's some more fish waiting to get fed here as well. Beautiful fish. All right, so after we got hooked up with that little blackfin tuna earlier, we got two bonitas, or two little fake tunas basically. They aren't that good for eating, but they're really good for bait. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep those two, and we'll see if we get anything else here. The little fake tuna are actually really fun to catch and reel in. They actually fight pretty hard. So those were fun to catch. Got two of those, they're just pure muscle, but they're really oily and greasy, so they're not that good to eat, but they are good for bait. So I'm gonna keep those for bait for another day. But we're gonna probably wrap this up in another 30 minutes. I mean, these are the days where it's like I just cannot sit at home and trade or just do anything other than be outside. I mean, you can see the drone shots, you see how beautiful it is out here. I mean, this is living, baby. You know, making money, all that stuff, it's one thing, but being out here, living life, experiencing life, you just never know what you're gonna get. Life, it's like a box of chocolates, baby. You just never know what you're gonna get. And today, we scored the ultimate chocolate. Buttery flat ocean, the sun is out, not a cloud in the sky, got a couple fish, had a fun day, we're living. right, so we just got back to the dock successfully. We're alive. The boat's still in one piece, it's still floating. We're gonna get cleaned up, get the Seadek looking good again. Gonna just spray a bunch of Simply Green on there and make it look real good, nice and shiny. It's really easy to clean, really simple. I've had it on the boat now for about 6 months and it's never had any issues. So big shout out to the guys at Seadek in terms of decking. Check out Seadek, really, really impressive product. Like I said, I've had it for about 6 months now. It's been in the sun, it's been in the salt water, it's been everywhere. It's had blood on it, had fish guts on it, still looks brand new. They got a lot of different options. You can check out seadek.com. Talk to you guys later on.